we are discussing a new part of differential equation which is called as application of differential equation. We are talking this application of differential equation with regard to population growth and growth of bacteria. So if P is the population of a city at a time t and which increases with respect to t, meaning the population is increasing with respect to time, then the rate of increase in the population of the city is proportional to the existing population. So rate of increase in population, the population will always increase with respect to time. जैसा time बढ़ते रहेगा वैसा population बढ़ते रहेगा, is proportional to P, because the rate of increase in population is dP upon dt. Rate of increase in population is change in population with respect to time. So it will be dP by dt. What is dy by dx? Rate of change of y with respect to x. So dP by dt is what? Rate of change of population with respect to time is proportional to existing population, means proportional to P. And I think you know that the moment you remove the proportionality sign, I think it will become Kp, where K is called as the constant of proportionality. Exercise 8.6, question number 2. The population of a town increases at the rate proportional to the population at that time. If the population increases from 40,000 to 60,000 in 40 years, what will be the population after another 20 years? Given root 3 upon 2 is 1.2247. Okay. The first sentence says that the population of a town increases at the rate which is proportional to population at that time. So you've got two words. One is population. So we can make an assumption. Let X be the population and T be the time. Now if you read the sentence, they say that the population of a town increases at the rate proportional to the population at that time, meaning the population is increasing. That means there is a change in population. Population changes with respect to time. So dx upon dt is supposed to be rate of change of population with respect to time. It is proportional to the population, means it is proportional to x. So what I can do is I can say that dx upon dt equal to k times of x, and where k is the constant of proportionality. So now what you do is you do grouping. Take x terms with dx and t terms with dt. So can I write this as dx upon x equal to k times dt? So can I say that dx upon x minus k times dt equal to 0. Now what I will do is I will integrate both sides. If I integrate both sides, I'll get integration 1 upon x dx minus integration k times of dt equal to 0. So integration of 1 upon x is log modulus of x, k outside, integration of 1 is t, and that is equal to c. So this is the general solution. Now further, if you read the question, they say that the population increases from 40,000 to 60,000 in 40 years. The population increases from 40,000 to 60,000 in 40 years, meaning originally the population was 40. After another 40 years, it is becoming 60,000. So right now the population is 40,000. After 40 years, the population will become 60,000. So what I can do is, I can say that when t equal to 0, I will say that x equal to 40,000. Now what is the meaning of t equal to 0 and x equal to 40,000? Aaj, with the present day, today, the population is 40,000. So times 0, aaj, and a time is 0, x is 40,000. So I'll get this as log modulus of 40,000 minus k into 0 equal to c. So this becomes log of 40,000 equal to c. They say that after another 40 years, the population becomes 60,000. So I will say that when you started, you took the time as 0. After 40 years means t equal to 40, so your x will be equal to 60,000. Okay. So again you have the general solution is log modulus of x minus kt equal to c. So I get log 60,000 minus k, t is 40, and I think the value of c is here. So I will substitute c equal to log of 40,000. So what I will do is, I will say that log of 60,000 minus log of 40,000, that is equal to 40 times k. This is log a minus log b. Log of a by b, that is equal to 40k. Cut it. I think I should get this as log 3 by 2, 1 upon 40 equal to k. See, whenever you're doing problems on application of differential equation, just remember one thing. You should always try to find the value of the constants from the general solution. So this is your general solution. ये जो general solution है, इसमें से you have to find the value of k and c. See, x is a defined variable. What is x? Population. T is a defined variable. What is t? Time. So what are the undefined variables? Those are called as constants. Which are the undefined variables? K and c. So with the information given to you, you will be able to find the value of k as well as you will be able to find the value of c. So in the first shot, by taking t equal to 0, I got the value of c. Second, I take t equal to 40, x equal to 60,000, and I also use c equal to log of 40,000. I am able to derive the value for k. Now they say that what will be the population after another 20 years. After another 20 years means starting with population, starting में टाइम 0 था, 40 साल के बाद 60,000 हो गया, और एक 20 साल के बाद, means when t equal to 60, you have to find what is the value for x. This is the question. So again you copy the general solution. What is the general solution? Log modulus of x minus kt equal to c. So what I will do is I will substitute k equal to from here, which is 1 upon 40 log 3 by 2. I will also substitute the value of c from here, which is nothing but log of 40,000. सब इसमें डाल दो तो क्या आएगा? log modulus of x minus k 1 upon 40 log 3 by 2 t, which is 60, equal to c. C is log of 40,000. Okay. So I will write this as log x minus, I will write this as 60 upon 40 log 3 by 2, that is equal to log of 40,000. इसको कट कर देना. So this is log of x, ये 3 by 2 हो जाएगा, equal to log 40,000 plus 3 by 2 log 3 by 2. Take this 3 by 2 to the index. So we get log x equal to log 40,000 plus log 3 by 2, the whole raised to 3 by 2. So this is log a plus log b. So that is log ab, log 40,000 into 3 by 2 raised to 3 by 2. Okay, we'll do it here. What we can do is we can compare both sides. So you get x equal to 40,000 3 by 2 raised to 3 by 2. Now x equal to 40,000. Can I write this as 3 by 2 raised to half whole cube? Barabar. Now if you check in the question, they have given the value for root 3 by 2 as 1.2247. So x equal to 40,000. 3 by 2 raised to half is root 3 by 2 the whole cube. That means my x will be 40,000 multiplied by the value for root 3 by 2 is 1.2247 but whole cube. So if you work this out, you get x equal to 73482. I mean the calculation for 1.2247 the whole cube multiplied by 40,000 is 73482. So that means you can conclude that the population after 60 years will be 73482. Sum number 3. The rate of growth of bacteria is proportional to the number of bacteria present. So there are two things. The rate of growth of bacteria is proportional to the bacteria present. So the bacteria is growing. So bacteria increases with respect to what? With respect to time. So there are two things involved. One is x is the number of bacteria present and t will be the time. If initially there were 1000 bacteria and the number doubles in 1 hour, find the number of bacteria after 5 by 2 hours. So first sentence says that the rate of growth of bacteria is proportional to the bacteria present. So rate of growth of bacteria is nothing but dx upon dt is proportional to the bacteria present. So bacteria present is number of bacteria present will be x. So I will say that dx upon dt equal to kx, where k is the constant of proportionality. If you want you can write k equal to the constant of proportionality. Now dx के साथ x terms को लिखना and this is k dt. So I will say that dx upon x minus kt equal to 0. Now what you have to do? You have to integrate both sides. If you integrate both sides, you get integration 1 upon x dx minus integration k dt equal to 0. Integration of 1 upon x is log modulus of x. Integration of k dt, k out, that means you will get 1 dt, integration of 1 is t and that is equal to c. So this is your general solution. All the values, whatever you know or whatever you have to find should be done with reference to using the general solution. Now they say that initially there were 1000 bacteria and abhi, in this moment, the bacteria is 1000. So when t equal to 0, x equal to 1000. So log modulus 1000 minus k into 0 equal to c. So c equal to log of 1000. See, understand one thing. X is a defined variable. X is nothing but the number of bacteria present. T is a defined variable which is nothing but time. So which are the two variables which are not defined? K and C. So your prime target is to find the values of K and C. So now we have found the value for C. Okay. Now let's read further. The number of bacteria doubles in 1 hour. So when t equal to 1, x will be 2000. See, originally 1000 था, 1 घंटे के बाद double हो गया. डबल मीन्स 1000 का कितना हो जाएगा, 1000 का 2000 हो जाएगा. So what I will do is, again I'll write the general solution. My general solution is log modulus of x minus kt equal to c. So log modulus, what is the value for x? 2000 minus k. What is the value for t? I'm sorry. What is the value for t in the second case? I think it is 1. And that is equal to c. What is the value for c? I think we know this is equal to log of 1000 because c equal to log 1000. Okay. Now what I will do is I'll write log 2000 minus log 1000 and I will say it is equal to k. This is log a minus log b, that is equal to log of a by b and equal to k. So ultimately my k will be log 2. Now what else have they asked? What will be the number of bacteria after 5.5 hours? So when t equal to 5.5, 5 by 2 hours, I'm sorry, 5 by 2 hours means indirectly it is 2.5 hours. And you have to find the value for x, right? So again I will write my general solution, log modulus of x minus kt equal to c. Log modulus of x will remain as it is. K, I think log 2 t 5 by 2 and c log 1000. So I will get this as log modulus of x minus 5 by 2 log 2 equal to log 1000. Don't multiply 2 and 5 by 2, that is not possible. See, if you have got log 2 into 3, for God's sake don't write it as log 6. It should be written as, this is wrong, this is correct. So same way, log 2 into 5 by 2, you cannot multiply directly. In case you want to do that, first you find the value for log of 2 and after having got the numerical value, then you can multiply it with 5 by 2. But please, for God's sake, don't cancel and write it as log 5. The sum will be wrong. I will write this as log modulus of x equal to log of 1000 plus 5 upon 2 log 2. That means this is log modulus of x equal to log 1000 plus log of 2 raised to 5 by 2. Because this is m log a, I am writing it as log a raised to m. Now I know that this is in the form of log a plus log b, which is equal to log of ab, 1000 multiplied by 2 raised to 5 by 2. So compare both sides. If you compare both sides, I get x equal to 1000 multiplied by 2 raised to 5 by 2. So I will write this as 1000 multiplied by 2 raised to half the whole raised to 5. So this is 1000 multiplied by 2 raised to half is root 2 raised to 5. If you check in the question, I think they have given the value for root 2 as 1.414. So you get 1000 multiplied by 1.414 the whole raised to 5, and that is equal to 5656. So you have to conclude by writing that after 5 by 2 hours the number of bacteria will be 5656. There is a slight calculation difference in the answer given in the textbook and the answer we have got. In the textbook, I think they have given 5658 or 48, something like that. Please verify. Sum number 4. Find the population of a city at any time t, given that the rate of increase in population is proportional to the population at that instant, that in a period of 40 years the population increased from 30,000 to 40,000. Okay. Find the population of a city at any time t. Given that the rate of increase in population is proportional to the population at that instant, and that in a period of 40 years the population increased from 30,000 to 40,000. So as usual you can start, let x be the population, and I think it is with regard to time t they have given, and t be the time. Okay. In years भी लिख सकते हैं because I think they are specifying years. In the previous one you can write hours in case if you feel like. Okay. Now they say that the population of a city increases dx upon dt is proportional to the population at that instant, means it is proportional to x. So dx upon dt equal to kx, dx upon x equal to k dt, dx upon x minus k dt equal to 0. Integrate both sides. Integration 1 upon x dx minus integration k dt equal to 0. Integration of 1 upon x is log modulus of x. K is a constant. Integration of 1, which is t, and that is equal to c. So this will be called as the what solution? General solution. Now let's read again. They say that the population increased from 30,000 to 40,000 in 40 years. आज 30,000 था, 40 साल के बाद it became 40,000. So आज means the time is 0 and x is 30,000. So this is log. See, your target is what, Mala? You have to find the value of k and c. So log of 30,000 minus k into 0 equal to c. So you get c equal to log of 30,000. अभी और किसका वैल्यू ढूंढना है? I think we have to find the value for k. Okay. Now, the population increased from 30,000 to 40,000 in a period of 40 years. So 40 साल के बाद when t equal to 40, your x is equal to 40,000. So वापस general solution copy करो, log of modulus of x minus kt equal to c. That means we get log of x के जगह में we can put 40,000 minus k. k तो पता नहीं है, छोड़ दो. t 40 equal to c. So can I say that log of 40,000 minus 40k, do I know the value for c? Yes. Log 30,000. So log a minus log b, meaning get that 30,000 to this side, it will become log a minus log b, that is equal to 40k. Log a minus log b is supposed to be log of a by b, and that is equal to 40k. Cut कर देना. I think we should get log 4 upon 3 and get that 40 to the left hand side. 1 upon 40 equal to k. See, your prime target is always to figure out the numerical value for k and c. Okay. See, the question says that you want to find the population of a city at any time t. पहले कैसा था कि initially the population was 20,000. After 5 years it became 50,000. Find the population after another 5 years or maybe after 20 years. ऐसा कुछ था. इसमें लोग ये नहीं बोलते कि कितना साल के बाद ढूंढने का. They're telling you to find the population at any time t. So how to solve this? So what is the general solution? The general solution is log modulus of x minus kt equal to c. they say that time will be time and you have to find the value for x. See, if they would have told you find the population after 50 years or after maybe 20 years, you would have taken a precise value for t. But they are telling you find the population at any given time t, and t will be equal to t, and you have to find the population, so you have to find the value for x. X will remain x. The value for k is 1 upon 40 log of 4 by 3. T will remain t, and c is log of 30,000. तो इसको क्या करेंगे हम लोग? log x minus, can I write this as t by 40? t into 1 upon 40 is t by 40 log of 4 by 3 equal to log of 30,000. Take the t by 40 to the other side, or before that what you do is write this as log of 4 by 3 raised to t by 40, that is equal to log of 30,000. So we get log of x equal to log of 30,000 plus log 4 by 3 to the power t by 40. So this is log a plus log b. Log a plus log b is log of ab. Compare both sides, so you get x, right? Just write a note, compare both sides. I'm not having space, that's why I'm writing it like this. 30,000 4 upon 3 t by 40. Now suppose you want to find the population after 80 years. So just put t equal to 80. If you want to find the population after 10 years, put t equal to 10. If you want to find the population after 100 years, put t equal to 100. So this will be a common equation wherein you can just keep on putting the value of t, and accordingly you can find the population for any year. Please copy. We are doing exercise 8.6, sum number 5. Read the question. Sorry. The rate of depreciation dv upon dt of a machine is inversely proportional to the square of t plus 1, where v is the value of the machine and t is the year after which it was purchased. So they say that dv upon dt means change in the value of an asset with respect to time is inversely proportional. dv upon dt proportional, inversely means 1 upon t plus 1 the whole square, because it is square of t plus 1. Square of t plus 1 means t plus 1 the whole square. So dv upon dt equal to minus k upon t plus 1 the whole square. Now you must be wondering कि negative sign किधर से आया? See, we previously when we were doing sums based on bacteria or the population, can I say that all the sums were based on population is increasing? Increasing बोलेगा तो plus. Depreciation का sum रहेगा ना, तो asset का भाव increase होएगा या वो decrease होएगा? I think it will decrease. इसके लिए वो minus आएगा. Okay, where k equal to the constant of proportionality. Now dv equal to minus k dt upon t plus 1 the whole square. इसको लेफ्ट में लाओ तो क्या आएगा? dv plus k dt upon t plus 1 the whole square equal to 0. Integrate both sides. If you integrate both sides तो क्या बनेगा? इंटीग्रेशन 1 dv plus integration k upon t plus 1 the whole square dt equal to 0. So integration of 1 with respect to v will be v plus k बाहर निकलना 1 upon t plus 1 the whole square का फॉर्मूले नहीं है, तो उसको क्या करने का, t plus 1 raised to minus 2 dt equal to 0. So I get this as v plus k, t plus 1 the whole raised to minus 2 it is in the form of ax plus b raised to n. So t plus 1 raised to minus 2 plus 1 upon minus 2 plus 1, that is equal to c. So I get v plus k t plus 1 whole raised to minus 1 upon minus 1 equal to c. So ये बनेगा v, this plus and this minus will make it minus k, and t plus 1 raised to minus 1 is 1 upon t plus 1 raised to 1 equal to c. Therefore v minus k upon t plus 1 equal to c. This will be the general solution. Okay. Now read the question further. It says that initial value of the machine was 8 lakhs. यानी आज अभी यानी कि जब आज means time is 0, value equal to 8 lakhs. इसमें डाल दो. Okay. So ये क्या आएगा, 8 lakhs माइनस के, टी के जगह में 0 डालो तो यू गेट 8 lakhs माइनस के, 0 plus 1 1 आएगा, k upon 1 will give the answer as k and that is equal to c. The sum says that initial value 8 लाख रुपया है, आज उसका वैल्यू 8 लाख रुपया है, यानी जब टाइम 0 है तो उसका वैल्यू 8 लाख है. एक साल के बाद उसका वैल्यू 1 लाख रुपया कम हो गया, तो एक साल के बाद बोलेगा तो t इक्वल टू 1 रहेगा, 1 लाख रुपया कम होएगा यानी कि उसका वैल्यू 7 लाख रुपया हो गया. वापस अपना जनरल सॉल्यूशन में डालो, v माइनस k अपॉन t प्लस 1 इक्वल टू c. मुझे लगता है ये 7 लाख रहेगा, बराबर, माइनस k, t के जगह में 1 डालो तो 1 प्लस 1 2 हो जाएगा and that is equal to c. This we will name it as equation 1 and this will name it as equation 2. अभी दोनों को सॉल्व करते हैं तो आएगा 8 lakhs माइनस k इक्वल टू c, 7 lakhs माइनस के अपॉन 2 इक्वल टू सी. सब्ट्रैक्ट करो, सब्ट्रैक्ट करेगा तो ये माइनस होएगा, बराबर है, ये प्लस होएगा और ये माइनस होएगा, तो सी और सी कट गया, ये बनेगा 8 lakhs माइनस 7 lakhs, कितना आएगा 1 लाख, और इधर बचेगा माइनस के प्लस के बाई 2 इक्वल टू 0. सो कैन आई से दैट 1 लाख इक्वल टू k माइनस के बाई 2, माइनस के उधर जाएगा तो प्लस के होएगा, प्लस के बाई 2 उधर जाएगा तो माइनस के बाई 2 होएगा. 1 लाख इक्वल टू, टेक 2 एज एलसीएम, तो 2k माइनस k होएगा, तो मुझे लगता है k का वैल्यू 2 lakhs आएगा. सो अगर k का वैल्यू 2 lakhs है तो व्हाट आई विल डू इज, मुझे k और c का वैल्यू चाहिए, सब्स्टिट्यूट k इक्वल टू 2 lakhs इन 1. 1 क्या है, 1 इधर है, 1 is 8 lakhs minus k equal to c, 8 lakhs minus 2 lakhs equal to c, c equal to 6 lakhs. The question says that find its value after 6 years. Find its value after 6 years. यानी कि अगर t के जगह में 6 डालेगा तो v का वैल्यू ढूंढना है. तो क्या करेंगे, अपना सबसे मेन है जनरल सॉल्यूशन. व्हाट इज द जनरल सॉल्यूशन, v माइनस k अपॉन t प्लस 1 इक्वल टू c. v माइनस k किधर है, इधर k कितना रहेगा 2 lakhs. t 6 प्लस 1, c का वैल्यू 6 lakhs. V equal to 6 lakhs plus 2 lakhs upon 7. V equal to 7 6 are 42. 42 plus 2 करेगा तो you get 44 lakhs upon 7. If you divide 44 lakhs by 7, you get 625871.4286. Therefore, it is approximately 625871 rupees. So, the value of the asset after 6 years, it will be 625871 rupees. In a certain culture of bacteria, the rate of increase is proportional to the number present. It is found that the number doubles in 4 hours. Find the number of times the bacteria are increased in 12 hours. So, पहला तो there is a certain set of bacteria and the rate of increase in bacteria is proportional to the number of bacteria present. So, rate of increase in bacteria. So, I will say that let the number of bacteria present be n, and obviously what will be the time? T will be the time. They say that the rate of increase यानी बैक्टीरिया बढ़ रहा है is proportional to the number of bacteria present. That means it is equal to the number of bacteria. N is the number of bacteria. कितना बैक्टीरिया है? N. See, dn by dt का मतलब है कि number is changing. बैक्टीरिया का numbers बढ़ रहा है. That increase in the number of bacteria is with reference to time. जैसा time बढ़ते जाएगा, time change होते जाएगा, number of bacteria बढ़ते जाएगा. अच्छा, मुझे बताओ बढ़ रहा है कि घट रहा है? इंक्रीज हो रहा है, बिकॉज वी हैव गिवन द वर्ड इंक्रीज. डिक्रीज रहेगा तो हम लोग जब भी उसको इक्वल फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट करेगा ना तो माइनस डालना पड़ेगा. इंक्रीज है तो आई विल से दैट dn अपॉन dt इक्वल टू kn. अगर वही डिक्रीज रहेगा तो यहां पर माइनस साइन आएगा. सो नाउ कैन आई से दैट dn अपॉन n इक्वल टू k dt. तो dn अपॉन n माइनस k dt इक्वल टू 0. कैन आई से दैट आई विल इंटीग्रेट बोथ साइड्स. तो इंटीग्रेशन करेगा तो ये बनेगा 1 अपॉन n dn माइनस इंटीग्रेशन k dt equal to 0. 1 upon n is supposed to be log modulus of n minus k बाहर निकालेगा इंटीग्रेशन dt यानी इंटीग्रेशन 1 dt which is t and that is equal to c. So इसको क्या solution बताएंगे? What solution will we call it as? We will call this as the general solution. जो भी तुमको k का वैल्यू, t का वैल्यू, c का वैल्यू जो कुछ भी ढूंढने का है, you have to use the general solution for that purpose. Now, they say that it is found that the number of bacteria doubles in 4 hours. अच्छा, तो अभी कितना बैक्टीरिया है? सपोज 5 है, तो 4 घंटे के बाद वो 10 हो जाएगा. नंबर ऑफ बैक्टीरिया डबल्स इन 4 आवर्स. अभी सपोज 500 बैक्टीरिया है तो 4 घंटे के बाद वो 1000 हो जाएगा. सो व्हेन, अभी का मतलब है व्हेन t इक्वल टू 0, n इक्वल टू, बाकी सब में दिया है कि अभी इतना बैक्टीरिया था, 2 साल के बाद इतना बैक्टीरिया हो गया, या 2 घंटे के बाद इतना बैक्टीरिया हो गया. इसमें स्टार्टिंग में कितना बैक्टीरिया नहीं दिया. सो आई विल टेक इट एज n0. कुछ भी ले सकता है. यू कैन टेक p, यू कैन टेक n, एनीथिंग यू वांट यू कैन टेक. So can I say that log n के जगह में if I put n0 minus k into 0 equal to c, so you get log of n0 equal to c. ठीक है. नाउ दे से दैट 4 घंटे के बाद पहला जितना बैक्टीरिया था, पहला जितना कितना बैक्टीरिया था, N0 N0 बैक्टीरिया था, अभी वो डबल हो जाएगा, बराबर। सपोज स्टार्टिंग में 100 बैक्टीरिया था, तो 4 घंटे के बाद कितना बैक्टीरिया हो जाएगा, 200। अगर स्टार्टिंग में N0 बैक्टीरिया था तो 4 घंटे के बाद कितना बैक्टीरिया हो जाएगा, 2N0। सपोज स्टार्टिंग में 5000 बैक्टीरिया था, तो 2 घंटे के बाद कितना बैक्टीरिया हो जाएगा, 10,000। स्टार्टिंग में अगर N0 बैक्टीरिया था तो 2 घंटे के बाद कितना बैक्टीरिया हो जाएगा, 2N0। सो आई विल से दैट व्हेन t equal to 4 n will become 2N0। वापस जनरल सॉल्यूशन लिखो, log मॉडुलस ऑफ n माइनस kt इक्वल टू c। ये बनेगा log n के जगह में आएगा 2N0, ओके, माइनस kt इज k इंटू 4 इक्वल टू c का वैल्यू क्या है, log n0। तो आई गेट log 2N0 minus log n0 equal to 4k. This is log a minus log b. Log a minus log b is log a by b. कट कर देना, तो कहने से that 1/4 log of 2 could I say it is equal to k. Then they are telling that find the number of times the bacteria has increased in 12 hours. तो 12 घंटे के बाद तुम्हारा जो n है वो कितना टाइम्स बढ़ गया, ओके ना। सो वापस जनरल सॉल्यूशन लिखते हैं, log मॉडुलस ऑफ n माइनस kt इक्वल टू c। n को n ही रखो, ओके, k t is 12 equal to c. Substitute c equal to log n0 and k equal to 1/4 log 2. तो डालते हैं वैल्यू, तो we get log of n minus k क्या रहेगा, 1/4 log 2 into 12. What is c? C here log of n0, इसको कट कर देना, 3 करना, तो we get log of n minus 3 log 2 equal to log of n0। ये 3 को ऊपर ले लो, तो ये आएगा log of n माइनस log 2 क्यूब इक्वल टू log of n0। तो log of n माइनस 2 क्यूब कितना आएगा, 8 इक्वल टू log of n0। log of n इक्वल टू log of n0 प्लस log 8। n0 को छोटा लिखना, नहीं तो कंफ्यूज होएगा, नो करके समझेगा तुम। सो कहने से दैट log of n, दिस इज log a प्लस log b, दैट इज इक्वल टू log of ab, बराबर है 8n0। कंपेयर बोथ साइड्स, n इक्वल टू 8n0। क्वेश्चन क्या पूछता है, क्या पूछा है क्वेश्चन में, क्वेश्चन क्या पूछा है, पढ़ो। They say that find the number of times the bacteria are increased. Number of times means 8 into n0 है ना, that means bacteria has increased by 8 times. Therefore, the number of bacteria has increased by 8 times in how many hours? In how many hours? In 12 hours. 12 hours में n ढूंढने का ना, c n इक्वल टू 8n0 बराबर है। अपना पास कितना बैक्टीरिया था, n0 बैक्टीरिया था, स्टार्टिंग में 1000 बैक्टीरिया था। अभी कितना हो जाएगा, 8000 हो जाएगा। सपोज अपने पास 10 बैक्टीरिया था ओरिजिनली, अभी उसका नंबर हो जाएगा 8 into 10 80, यानी कि द नंबर ऑफ बैक्टीरिया हैज मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 8 टाइम्स। थैंक यू।